saw that that how actually Lencho's crop was totally ruined, and the only hope now he had was actually to pray from the god. So actually on that night when his crops was destroyed, all through the night Lencho thought only of his one hope. And which one? What was his one hope? The only hope was he had was actually to the help from the god, the help of God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. Lencho was an ox of a man, walking like an animal in the fields. Students, when it is said that Lencho was an ox of a man, it means to say that he was a very hard walking man. He actually can walk hard like an ox in the field, and he actually walked throughout the day like animal in the field, but still he knew how to write. The following Sunday, though in generally this is the general opinion that someone who is a farmer or someone who works in field, they would not know how to read and write, and that is not correct, and that is what the case with Lencho also. Lencho, though he is a farmer, but still he knew how to write. So it means to say that he was an educated, he was a literate person, though he was a farmer. The following Sunday at daybreak he began to write a letter which he himself would carry to town and places in the mail. It was nothing less than a letter to God. Actually, now what happens, a student, here that what he actually decided to do, Lencho, the following day, which was the Sunday, at the daybreak here actually suggesting at the morning, the first light of morning, you can refer it as daybreak. He began to write a letter which he himself would carry to town. He actually started to write a letter, and then he actually carried it to the town and in the place where he would mail the letter. And it was nothing less than a letter to God. And actually he wrote that letter in the name of God. So he would mail that letter to whom? Actually to God. But on which address he would mail the letter, that is the point to consider, because how where we would send the letters to God, that's important. We need an address to send a letter. The hard words are given here, as I told you. Conscience is actually an inner sense that you have of what is right and what is wrong, and daybreak is actually the time in the morning when the first daylight actually appears. Lencho spent his entire night thinking of the only option left, and that was to seek the help of God. So now, as you saw in the story, that as I have explained you, actually, let's see the next paragraph, students. God, and what we will see that what he wrote in the letter. He wrote in the letter that God, he wrote, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. I need 100 pesos in order to sow my field again and to leave until the crop comes, because the hailstorm. Now the pesos are actually the Mexican coin, and he was needed how much coin? He was actually needed 100 pesos. So he is writing to God that if it means God, if the God would not help him, then his family would starve that year. Starve means dying of hunger. And because all his crops was actually damaged and ruined in the hailstorm, and that is why he is writing to God that on the envelope put the letter inside, and still troubled went to town. At the post office he placed a stamp on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox. Actually, he did not write the address on the letter. He just do the other formalities that we are needed to post later, and then actually he went to the post office and just buy a stamp also. He placed a stamp also on the letter, and then he actually dropped it into the mailbox. Now where the letter will reach, that's a thing we need to ponder upon. But